Ayun na nagkakaroon na. Ayun.
Want me to see the picture?
Yeah, it's okay. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
All right.
Hindi namin alam na may restaurant dyan sa nakapagpapagod. We have a lot. Oh, we brought some food.
Guys, yung ganda rito. Free Room Shakespeare Festival this way. It's okay. That's organic. Kaya siguro mga 2 years pa bago ako. Oh wow, sunflower. See? Guys, small variety of sunflower. Dami oh.
Kaya ano yung music doon? Parang bumabalik ako sa...
Bumabalik ka sa bahay ni ano, yung doon, yung
John Walker Day.
oo.
Ay, John Walker. Oh,
John
what?
Walker.
I'm walking here if there's any.
Hi.
Ganda guys.
Parang yung boat sa...
Parang Boracay. Transparent, no?
She wants down.
But you need to, ano, you need to have...
Kaya lang, hindi na na.
Sasakto yun, no? 4 sa atin.
May apatan ba?
4 yun, no? 2 sa likod, 2 sa harap.
Wait, wait.
Ito guys. That one. What is that? Frog? Let's find it.
And flowers.
Oh my god. Look at that. Oh. Wow.
Ito yung mga community days din dati. O, yung mga princesses.
Yeah. Oh.
Winter Carnival.
Daddy,
Community and Queen Contest. May mga ganito din sa kanila. Siya yung Queen Contest. Miss Edmonton Contest.
Guys, so.
Me, Daddy.
Wait, baby. I will just get some video here. Okay, wait, baby. Wait. You just go here muna.
Oilers happy, oh.
Oh! Carry me.
Wait, baby.
Don't you feel how to like it? How to like it? Tired of what?
Ate. Sa
Yung
map? Map ng Edmonton.
Yeah, tapos nakalagay kung kailan ako.
Horse Hill, 1972. Edmonton, Evergreen. Big Lake. Can you find the Woodvale and Willwoods? Nandiyan na tayo, right? Woodvale, 1980. Millwoods. Where's the Millwoods? Millwoods tayo. Can you find Millwoods? Wala. Guys, dito kami.
Daddy.
Saan yan? Yung Edmonton. Tama. Pwede pa dito mag-iho.
Ate, tapon mo na yung dalawang ano.
Daddy, I want to go in your back.
You're tonight again. Oh. In 5, 4,
5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock.
Isa pa.
Ate, tinatakpan mo, naka-video nga yung akin.
Kabidyo pareho yan. Game. Pwesto. In 4, 3, 2.
Later.
Daddy, put me up again.
Can I make a content there? Hmm? Ganda sana to kuhanan, no? Hindi yung umaagos sa ilalim. Ganun sana.
So that's where the water comes from. That's where the water comes from. That's where the water. Daddy,
Wait. Collaboration
I
with
want to find the frog.
No, you cannot find the frog.
Oh!
Oh, let's have a picture here, oh. Sunset.
Edmonton celebrates kami.
Come here, baby.
Saan tayo mag-celebrate?
Diyan, nasa gitna niyan. Let's have a picture tayo dito. That's the muffler. The muffler, the car exhaust. Guys, ganda rito. Guys,
Wawa na may aso niya.
ganda oh. Trail lang ng bike yan. Bike or horse trail. Guys, oh. Yeah.
Ano?
Ayan, oh. Wow. Ganda, oh, guys. Hindi, wala nang pababa dyan kasi river na ano na yan. Wala yung trail na ano. Hindi, I mean yung hagdanan na ano. Okay, so,
Kung bumalik dito ay po. Iba naman tong mga ano. Ang kulot ng po. Tagaktak ng po.
free lang to, ano?
Ano ba nakakahiga?
Ano, it's free, ano?
Hindi na mga responsible yung mga tao. Parang,
Saka yung mga duck naman.
Duck quad.
sorry.
Kaya nga sabi ko, it's organic. Guys, so,
Nigop niya rin sa atin. Sino naiwan sa gamit niya? Ay, dito kayo.
ang daming lamok.
Ang dami, lamok din nun. O, tas puro polo. Ay, naku, ang dami. Shadow! Daming benches.
Kaya masyadong ano ngayon, masyadong maraming lamok. Shoot, dami. Pastor.
That's the...
I don't wanna hurt.
We're going to the...
Daddy.
Yeah, baby.
Meron kami guys. Tour guide. Na mas
Wait.
Ayan na sila, oo. Sila yung mga nagpuput.
Yeah.
Ay. Hi, friends.
Shit, ang dami.
Oh,
there's babies.
Stay free. Go na.
There's some in your bag.
Let's go faster.
Dami.
Ay, may kalaban tayo guys. May mga pollen tsaka insect. Ang dami. Look at that. Ang short pa mo.
Kasi may mga type.
Ang daming kain ng goose.
Thank you. Dito nag-ano yung may RV. Apo.
Shoot! Shoot!
Yes, guys.
Kamatayan na sila, oh. Yun dapat. Kawawa, kaya pulang-pula na. No, don't cry. There's a pink one. Kami, guys. Thank you for watching. Dami kasing lamok dun sa kagubatan. Sinundan kami. Next time, namumula na si Brian.
Guys, yung parking, ano,